is agile purpose model for commuting and delivery. The front 16-inch and rear 14-inch wheels ensure sufficient passability. It can be equipped with two 7-volt 40-ampere lithium batteries. The maximum range is 180 kilometers. The LED display clearly displays vehicle or related information, such as speed, gears, SOC, trip, light signals. Full LED lights allow you to clearly see the road conditions, even when riding at night. It is equipped with a motor with rated power of 3,000 watts and a maximum speed of 80 kilometers per hour. And the CBS braking system provides a safe riding guarantee. The 60-liter larger capacity delivery box can hold enough goods at one time.